Mnemonic for chest X-ray findings in aortic dissection is Dweebs. D for dilated aorta, W for widening of mediastinum, E for effusion, that is pericardial effusion, E for effusion in the pleura, B for blunting of aortic contour, and S for separation of intimal calcification. So I repeat, the mnemonic for chest X-ray findings in aortic dissection is Dweebs. D dilated aorta, W widening of mediastinum, E effusion of pericardium, E effusion in pleura, B blunting of aortic contour, and S separation of intimal calcification. Thank you.